Ìgbàgbọ́ Yorùbá o, lètò tó yẹ kí a gbọ́. Ìgbàgbọ́ Yorùbá o, lètò tó yẹ kí a gbọ́. Ètò tó ń sọ nípa àṣà àti ìṣe nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Gbogbo ọmọ Oòduà ẹ súnmọ́ bí kẹwọ́n gbàlàyé ọ̀rọ̀. Látẹnu Kọ́lá Ọlátúnjí lẹ ó ti máa gbọ́. Ètò tó ń kọ́ni lọ́gbọ́n kọ́ni lóye ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbọ́. Kọ́lá Ọlátúnjí lolóòtú ètò ìgbàgbọ́ Yorùbá. Ọmọ wọn lójúde láẹsẹ̀ Ìkírun Àgùnbẹ́. Ìkòyí ẹ̀ṣọ́ ọmọ yan bí lólú. Ọmọ ogun lọ́sàn-án ọmọ olè lóru. Olè tí ń káṣọ kẹrù kọ́ o. Olè tí ń gbóbìnrin ẹni. Bóbìnrin ò ṣe ròdòròdò bí ò lẹ́dàn lọ́rùn wọn ò nífẹ̀ẹ́. Ọmọ ojú ọ̀rọ̀ ò jẹ́sẹ̀ ẹyẹ ó tó mi. Ẹlẹ́gìrì kò jó mi ọba ó tòrò. Ó yá ìgbàgbọ́ Yorùbá o. Ètò tó yẹ kí a gbọ́. Ìgbàgbọ́ Yorùbá o. Ètò tó yẹ kí a gbọ́. Ètò tó ń sọ nípa àṣà àti ìṣe nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Gbogbo ọmọ Oòduà ẹ súnmọ́ bí kẹwọ́n gbàlàyé ọ̀rọ̀. Látẹnu Kọ́lá Ọlátúnjí lẹ ó ti máa gbọ́. Ètò tó ń kọ́ni lọ́gbọ́n kọ́ni lóye ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbọ́.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen, from America, Nigeria, UK, Germany, all over the world. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching us on our YouTube channel. Thank you for helping our ministry. I am married Dr. Kọ́lá Ọlátúnjí, their son at Laese Compound, Ìkírun. I am here to give you the second part of a solution to stroke according to our tradition, according to our father in Yoruba land. If you want to get rid of stroke, you have to do this remedy for at least 7 weeks. 7 weeks. You help me get, I would like to write it down. You get all this material from àwọn eléwé ọmọ, those women that sells ewé ọmọ. You get ẹfúnlẹ̀. You get èkùrọ́ ojú ọ̀nà. Èkùrọ́ ojú ọ̀nà, that means the palm kernel that you can get when you are walking on the road. Èkùrọ́ ojú ọ̀nà, ẹfúnlẹ̀. Èkùrọ́ ojú ọ̀nà, you get orí, shea butter. Ẹfúnlẹ̀, èkùrọ́ ojú ọ̀nà, orí, which we know as a shea butter. Then you get palm oil. After that, getting that one, you get snail's water. Those are the material needed. The first thing you are going to do is that you have to soap. You get soap, white soap, preferably Lux. That èkùrọ́ ojú ọ̀nà, that palm kernel that you find when you are walking on the road, that palm kernel, you get enough of it. You can get 1 or 2. You have to pound that palm kernel, complete palm kernel, with Lux soap. You pound it with Lux soap. After that one, you put that one aside. Now, the next step you are going to do is ẹfúnlẹ̀ and shea butter. You pound them together as well. Now the next step is this. The affected parts, what you have to do is that you rub the affected part with palm oil. If it is this side, you rub it with palm oil. Then you wash. After some time, you wash. After washing it, then you cut snail at the buttocks. You collect the juice, the water from that snail. You collect it. You use to rub the affected part, the hand and the leg. You rub them with those things. After that one, you will now wash it again. After washing, you rub the affected part with rub or aboliki. You rub the affected part with those things. You leave it for all those things you've been rubbing. When you rub it with oil, you leave it for 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Then you wash. You rub it with snail water, omigbe. You leave it for 30 minutes. You wash. Then you now rub it with rub or aboniki, any balm or menthol. You rub it like that, then you wash. Then after rubbing it with rub, you use toilet roll to band the affected area. You use toilet roll to band the affected area. After doing that, then you open it and you rub it with efunle, the one that you have done with efunle. That shea butter that we use with efunle. You rub it down. You rub it down. Before anything, after rubbing those affected places with palm oil, then you wash it with the kuro ojuona that you have pounded with soap. After that one, you will now rub it with snail water. After rubbing with snail water, you wash it again. Then you rub it with a rub or ointment. Then you bandage it with toilet roll. After 30 minutes, you open the toilet roll and you now rub the affected place with efunle that you have mixed with ori shea butter. Thank you very much. For inquiry or any question, contact me with my numbers. God will continue to bless us. I am Are Dr. Kola Olatunji once again. Thanks so much.
Ètò tó ń kọ́ni lọ́gbọ́n kọ́ni lóye ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbọ́.